If an adjustment to the plunger position needs to be done, turn the injector off and unplug it, remove the manual knobs, the lens cap, the rear then front head covers, and the LED board. Then plug the injector back in and turn it on. Install a syringe on the side you want to adjust and drive the plunger as far forward as it will go. We want it to be at the end of the syringe and the display to say 0 milliliters. When we turn the injector head down, we can see the two blue potentiometers that electronically monitor our plunger positions and the A-side motor. The potentiometer on the left is the B-side potentiometer, and the one on the right is the A-side potentiometer. When the plunger moves, it turns its respective potentiometer, which is what is changing our milliliter reading in the display. It is one of these potentiometers we need to adjust if our plunger position is incorrect. Whichever side needs adjusted, first we loosen the nut holding the metal plunger gear in place with a 7/16 nut driver, just about ½ inch. Then we use a flathead screwdriver to lift and separate the metal plunger gear from the plastic potentiometer gear. Reinstall the manual knob and turn the gear to ensure the plunger is fully extended in the syringe. We want the syringe to be completely empty with 0 milliliters of fluid. Now we can adjust the potentiometer to 0 milliliters. Clockwise decreases the volume, counterclockwise increases the volume. One full rotation of the potentiometer is about 25 milliliters, so you should be able to guess which way and about how far you need to turn it to get 0 milliliters on the display. After you've made the adjustment, turn the injector back on and see what volume you are getting on the display. These adjustments must be done with the injector off. If the display does not read 0 milliliters, turn the injector back off and continue adjusting the potentiometer. Repeat this procedure until you read 0 milliliters on the display. When finished, make sure the injector is off and unplugged. Carefully push the metal gear and the small plastic gear back into alignment and tighten the plunger nut back down. When finished, completely reassemble the injector head, taking extreme care when putting the head covers back on not to pinch any wires.